Hi there. I'm really excited to share with you about how companies in the manufacturing industry can succeed in terms of digitalization, and what factors matter the most in the future and how we could address those factors starting today. And what better environment could we choose than a factory hall from KUKA to talk about that topic? I truly believe that the platform economy brings a huge potential to change the world of manufacturing automation. It empowers more efficient, more sustainable, and finally, more successful business. Imagine you would take a group of companies with complementary value propositions or portfolios and organize them in a way that they could work together efficiently and under fair conditions. This would empower these companies to create values, products, and solutions that by far would exceed the value of the companies that they could have solved on their own. A key characteristic of an ecosystem. And while ecosystems and platforms work very well in other industries, particularly in the B2C sector, I was wondering, why is it not applicable to the manufacturing industry yet? Why is there no global success story of such yet? That is what I wanted to figure out. I wanted to figure out what are the key factors that empower companies from a highly fragmented and specialized market to come together efficiently, to accelerate collaboration and data-driven business models. And not only did I want to find out, but that's what I wanted to create. I wanted to create a platform, a portal that brings together companies for the bigger common goal to create more value than they could have done on their own. And I wanted to be very systematic about it. I wanted to leave patterns and rules and guidelines that I've been faced with throughout my time in the industrial automation. I wanted to leave those behind. I wanted to avoid them. Next, I also wanted to change my behavior as a German engineer who would perfectionize a product before showing it to customers. I wanted to create this solution because from the very beginning of my career, I spent the time in industrial automation. And I installed robots in China, in Great Britain. I created sales channels to sell robots globally. And I created an e-commerce environment for a single product vendor in the industry. It has been a passion ever since. Throughout all of these steps and phases of my career, I have experienced that only in the rarest cases, there was one single vendor who could solve a complex manufacturing problem for a customer holistically. It was rather the combination of technologies, products, and know-how from different companies that served the customer sustainably. Considering the fact that manufacturing processes are complex and highly individualized, imagine how difficult it is to find the right set, the right combination of technologies and companies that can serve you. How difficult it is to find the right potential, to find the right tooling for solving your application. And from the other side, how do you present your solutions and your technologies into the industry so that it's been found efficiently right at the time when it's been needed? This is exactly what we are solving. My name is Dirk, and I'm introducing you to GO2automation, the portal that connects manufacturing participants to work together efficiently in an online environment and to create mutual data-driven benefits. Precisely what we do is we bring more transparency to the market by involving customers who are looking for automation solutions. And we connect them with the right combination of partners to serve that solution, particularly for their individual need. By that, we bring together manufacturing companies together with general contractors and obviously also product suppliers who serve the single components that are required for holistic solutions. Considering a project from the very beginning of a consultancy to the end of service business, you need a lot more companies than those three. And this is where the ecosystem really kicks off. We integrate different vendors, different companies with different portfolios to serve needs holistically. And how do we do that? We use mechanisms of exhibitions. We use mechanisms of presenting solutions online to make them accessible. And we use mechanisms from LinkedIn or Xing to network among each other, but not from person to person, but rather from company to company. And in addition, by the database and the demand that has been applied to the platform, we use algorithms to match demand and supply perfectly. In approaching this, we could choose rather to be a disruptive startup and change the world completely, or we evolve the market together with our participants. And we choose for the second. We want to evolve a market of brilliant participants, of brilliant solutions and experts. And we want to evolve that to make collaboration more efficient and accessibility of automation technology more reliable. With that, we provide you with an access to the environment to work with multiple users for single companies, connect among companies, and thereby find the specialists ideally suitable for your demand. Additionally, we empower collaboration among companies by certification, by partnerships, by references, easily and intuitively across borders, across companies. Moreover, in the environment of GO2automation, you can always select who can see what you post. So you can actually do sales more efficiently while keeping your USPs to yourself. And with that, we enhance the digital collaboration by effectively working with assets from multiple and different suppliers, different vendors in one environment. To make sure you get the right benefits around those assets, we link products among each other. So not only company to company, but product to product, solution to product and company. We build a network that serves you with an easy and fast access to automation technology. How does that look? To give you a brief introduction, this is a screenshot from the live environment. You will have a news feed, but different to social media channels, you will find posts again. That is the good point about it. You won't have to just browse and browse. You will find specifically what you need within just a few clicks. To that ecosystem, we have won in less than a year more than 200 companies to join the environment, to collaborate digitally, and to enhance the way we do business in manufacturing automation. With this, we want to invite you to join the ecosystem as well, to find the benefits for your portfolio, to find the benefits for your manufacturing site, and to jointly create an ecosystem that creates more value as a whole than we could have ever achieved on our own. We very much look forward to meeting you online.